twin dolls, we're back with another video, and my client today wants to do a half up, half down with the bang. I've already washed her and conditioned her. I'm gonna spray. This product is Mizani Miracle Milk leave-in conditioner. I'm gonna spray that all over before I start to blow dry. Some of the Aphogee Keratin Tea Reconstructor. I really love this product. I actually sell it. I just gotta upload it on my website. The Shea Butter Oil, and I just do like a dime size of this. I rub it all the way through. Okay, so now that we have her completely blow dried, and when you blow dry your clients, especially in the winter time, always blow dry their scalp and make sure their scalp is completely dry. So because she wants a half up, half down, I'm gonna part off the back section and braid it down, and then in the front we'll press out the ponytail. Okay, you guys, so as you can see in the video, after breaking it down, I used the black strips up underneath a black cap and then sewed around the perimeter and used the Pump It Up to work as an extra barrier to protect the hair from glue. So it is dry now, and you can either use Pump It Up or that liquid cap stuff that they sell in the beauty supply store. I personally don't like the liquid cap. I like to Pump It Up better. But now I'm gonna glue the tracks in the back and go ahead and do the back first, and then we'll do the front. Okay, y'all, this is the finished look. And thank you guys for watching me do this half up, half down quick weave using some of my bundles, and her bang is done with regular track hair from the beauty supply store, and we added pops of burgundy bliss in there just to make it look a little extra. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Comment in the comment section what hairstyle you want me to do next. Thank you. Bye.